If you make one simple mistake, you can scratch your hood and later it can really rust or you can even dent it. Stay with us and we'll explain how to avoid that. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be almost any BMW model. If you need to remove or replace hood emblem, stay with us. We'll explain how to safely do that without scratching the hood, without damaging the hood, without denting things, and in most times you'll be able even to preserve your old emblem. We'll be putting the new 50th anniversary, I think it's called, the M emblem. Stay with us. We'll explain how to do that in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So we'll demonstrate guys on this BMW X3 X4 right here. That's the emblem that we have. We'll be putting the new emblem, which is this one right here. This is the updated one guys. You can see this is the updated one, this is the old one. We still want to preserve it and save it. You can easily do that thing sometimes even with just a credit card guys. You can get a credit card, get underneath and pop it out, but sometimes it's not strong enough. If you get plastic panel removal tools, those things are really nice guys. You get the fine one, the one that's thin, and they're plastic so they don't damage your paint unless you're super aggressive. Careful not to dent the hood, but you're going to go underneath the emblem, okay? Don't pry just at one spot because it's going to actually bend the emblem. You have two different places where it attaches to the hood. So we're going to go ahead, do that on each side, now that side, a little bit on this side. Our emblem came out. Check this thing out, a piece of cake guys, right? Not very complicated at all. Now, before putting the new one, I'm going to clean here everything to make sure we don't have any dust contamination, because later from vibrations, okay, it can actually end up scratching. So we're going to get the alcohol now, or detailing spray works too, and we're going to go ahead and do that. If you don't have the grommets are damaged here for the emblem, you have two little grommets guys, rubber ones. You can replace them, okay? Most emblems will come with a replacement grommets. You just pull out those and you put the new one in. Well, check this thing out here that I want to clean. Okay, perfect. Now we're getting the new emblem. Pretty simple design guys. We open it. We're going to remove the protecting film on top of it. Gotta make sure you place it the correct way, facing the right way, and push right here in these two places where the grommets are. Push all the way down, it's ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Hopefully it was something that you will consider. If you want to see where to buy them from, check out the link in the description of the video below. So that's how you will do it guys on most BMWs. It's not very complicated at all. It takes only practically less than a minute to do it if you know what you're doing, and watch, we even didn't damage our old emblem, so we can reuse it if we need to. If you guys have any more questions on BMWs, you want to see anything else specifically, leave a comment below. We're constantly making new videos that can save you thousands of dollars guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.